Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a world most of us don't see, the fascinating behind the scenes of sales compensation. Think about it, you walk into a store, buy a product from a salesperson, and that's it, right? But what about the intricate web of incentives that motivate those salespeople to push certain products or reach specific goals? That's where spiff comes in. What is motivation worth? Let's face it, a flat salary might not always cut it for a salesperson. They need that extra push, that feeling of accomplishment that comes with exceeding expectations. This is where commission structures come in. Companies design these structures to incentivize salespeople to perform at their best. But designing and managing these programs can be a complex nightmare, spreadsheets overflowing with formulas, endless calculations, and constant room for errors. Enter Spiff, the commission management superhero. Spiff swoops in like a tech-powered hero, transforming this chaotic landscape into a streamlined system. It's a cloud-based software specifically designed to manage sales commissions. Here's the magic: Spiff automates the entire process. Gone are the days of manual calculations and error-prone spreadsheets. Spiff integrates seamlessly with existing CRM, ERP, and payroll systems, pulling data automatically to ensure accuracy and efficiency. Spiff for salespeople, seeing is believing. Imagine this: you're a salesperson, closing deals left and right. But how much are you actually earning? With Spiff's mobile app, you have complete transparency. See your commission statements in real time, track your progress towards quotas, and understand exactly how each deal contributes to your earnings. This level of visibility keeps salespeople motivated and engaged. They can see the direct impact of their efforts on their wallets, creating a powerful feedback loop that fuels further success. Spiff for managers, peace of mind and efficiency. As a sales manager, Spiff becomes your secret weapon. You gain complete control over managing your team's compensation. Easily create and modify complex commission plans with just a few clicks, ensuring fairness and alignment with your company's goals. Spiff also provides valuable insights. Track team performance, identify top performers, and even pinpoint areas for improvement. This data-driven approach allows you to make informed decisions and optimize your sales strategy for maximum impact. Spiff for everyone, building trust and transparency. Spiff isn't just about automating calculations, it's about fostering trust and transparency within your organization. Salespeople feel empowered with clear visibility into their earnings. Managers can allocate compensation fairly and efficiently. Everyone is on the same page, working towards shared goals. Spiff, it's not just about the money, but let's talk money. While the financial benefits of Spiff are undeniable, it goes beyond just saving time and reducing errors. Spiff helps companies create happier, more motivated sales teams. When salespeople feel valued and fairly compensated, they're more likely to go the extra mile and deliver exceptional results. This translates to increased sales, improved customer satisfaction, and ultimately, a stronger bottom line for your business. Spiff, the future of sales compensation. In today's competitive sales landscape, having the right tools is crucial for success. Spiff empowers both salespeople and sales managers, providing them with the resources they need to excel. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Outro. So, that's Spiff, the commission management superhero taking the sales world by storm. If you're looking to streamline your compensation process, increase sales motivation, and unlock the full potential of your team, Spiff might just be the missing piece in your puzzle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep crushing those sales goals.